In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Notion. Notion doesn't have traditional folders like your computer, but you can get the same tidy structure by turning a page into a folder and nesting other pages inside it. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a couple of simple tips to keep things clean and consistent. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. On the home page, click Login. If you usually sign in with Google, choose the Google option and select your account to continue. Use your regular login method if you prefer something else. The goal is just to get into your workspace so we can set things up. Once you're in, create the container that will act like your folder. In the sidebar, click Add a Page. Give this new page a clear, simple name. Type folder for now. Because Notion organizes with pages and subpages, this page will become the home for everything you want grouped together. You can always rename it later to match a specific project or topic. To make it look and feel like a real folder, add an icon. At the top of the new page, click Add Icon, then choose a folder icon. Picking a distinct color helps it stand out in your sidebar so you can spot it quickly when you're moving items around. Now let's put pages into your folder. Find a page you want to organize, hover over it in the sidebar, and click the three dots to open its menu. Choose Move To, then select the folder page you just created. That instantly nests the page inside your folder. There's also a faster, more visual method that many people prefer. In the sidebar, click and hold the page you want to move, then drag it directly onto the folder page until you see it highlight and release. That drops the page right inside. Use whichever approach feels more natural. Both do exactly the same thing. Repeat the process for any other pages you want grouped in the folder. As you go, open your folder page to see everything nested neatly underneath. If you spot something out of place, just drag it to reorganize. Notion makes it easy to adjust on the fly. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Give your folder a descriptive name so teammates and future you know what lives there. Keep the icon consistent across similar folders and lean on drag and drop when you're moving several items. It's usually the quickest. And that's it. You've created a clear, visual folder structure in Notion using a page and nested pages, giving you all the organization you need without any clutter.